greetings to you all, senior officials, CEO of Fiji TV, and Turanga CEO of MaiTV, and Mr. Simpson. It is indeed an honor for me today. Being sworn in a couple of weeks ago, this is my first ever engagement as the Assistant Minister for Information and Broadcasting. So opening up the Public Service Broadcasting Grant was a promise parties in the coalition government had made during the general election campaign of 2022. A total budget of $10.4 million was allocated for public service broadcast grant in 2024 and 2025 national budget for both radio and television as well. FBC, Fiji Broadcasting Corporation, was allocated its share from the PSB grant, and a tender was called for the remaining sum for both radio and TV. Now bids were received for the television component, and the successful bidders are sitting here today, which is Fiji Television and MaiTV. Today, the PSB grant agreement for television broadcasting, as I've alluded to earlier, will be signed by the two, Fiji TV and MaiTV. Using the grant, the two television companies will produce and broadcast local content that is informative and educational for the benefit of the general audience. Now, both have submitted production content that supports the coalition government's campaign against drugs, HIV and AIDS, and NCD's non-communicable disease. Content that promotes wellness and healthy lifestyle, sports, both major and minor sports, as well as rural and maritime development, will now be possible under the PSB grant agreement. Now, with the PSB grant for television broadcast signed, focus will now shift to finalize the tender for the radio component. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, I now grant you the PSB agreement that needs to be signed by Fiji TV and MaiTV.